Mani po na karon. So, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. This is my presentation in selection. What are infographics? Infographics are visual representation of data of information designed to communicate complex information quickly and clearly. They combine image, charts, graphs, and text to tell a story of to or convey an image. Infographics are widely used in various fields such as marketing, journalism, education, and business, as they make information easier to digest and more engaging. So traditional application to infographics, the traditional approach to infographics involves simple layouts with focus on conveying information in a static format. Now, these were often created manually using software like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop and were mostly distributed in print media such as magazine, newspapers, or posters. They commonly featured bar charts, pie charts, icons, and basic illustration to explain data or concepts. Now, new approaches and technology in infographics in selection. So, with the advent of modern technology and digital tools, infographics have evolved, and these are now new technology and approaches to creating them. Here are some of the latest trends and technology. First is interactive infographics. Interactive infographics allow the audience to engage directly with the content by checking, scrolling, or hovering over elements to view more detailed data. Now, this approach is commonly used to on website or applications. Example, an interaction map showing the global distribution of a particular resource when users can check on countries to detailed statistics. Number two, animated infographics. So animated infographics combine motion, graphics, and storytelling. They make the data come alive by visually representing changes over time or guiding the user through a process. Now, these are especially useful in video or media, social media formats. Example, a bar chart that animates as it grows, showing the growth of a company revenue over the years. Number three, data visualization with advanced tools. Modern infographics use sophisticated data visualization tools like Tableau, Power, uh, BI, and D3. The JS, these tools can handle large datasets and produce interactive visualization, making it easier to analyze trends and patterns. Example, a financial dashboard that show key metrics like revenue, profit, margins, and express over time. Infographics for social media. Social media friendly infographics have become more compact and shareable. They are optimized for mobile viewing and typically incorporate bold visual, simplified data, and strong branded elements. Example, a series of Instagram posts with infographics studies detailing steps to improve health and fitness. Number 5, personalized infographics. Personalization of infographics is a growing trend where the data is tailored to individual's user. Now, this can be done based on user performance, location, or behavior. Example, a fitness applications that generates personalized programs, infographics based on the user's activity data. Number 6, we have infographics for storytelling. Storytelling through infographics involves combining narrative and visuals to engage an audience. These techniques often uses a linear design to guide the viewer through a series of connected piece of information. Example, an infographics that tells the story on how the products is created from the design process to production. The visual representation infographics today are various design techniques to attach or attract and engage user. Now this includes a flat design, minimalist approach that uses clear lines, clean lines, bold colors, and simple illustrations. Typographic strong emphasis on creative typography to make the message stands out. Data flow, modern infographics often includes process and flow that guide users through step-by-step procedure. Benefits of infographics. Clearly, infographics simply complex data and concept, making them easier to understand. Briefly, engagement. Visual content is more likely to capture the audience's attention and keep them engaged. Shareability. Infographics are high shareable on social media, increasing their reach and impact. Now, my conclusion is infographics are evolving beyond statistics, images into dynamic, interactive, and personalized tools for covering information by integrating animation interactively and advanced data visualization techniques. Infographics are becoming a key component of digital communication strategies. The new approaches allow for greater user engagement, clearer communication, and more effective storytelling. So I have here my sample code language provided. Um, so here, the code you provide the code that I provide is a calculator program in C++. Now this demonstrates object-oriented programming (OOP) principles. It provides various mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square roots, and power calculations. Below is an example of the key components. So the features of the code, object-oriented design, a class called calculator encapsulates the functions for performing mathematical operation. The program is modular as each function is logically separated within the class. Mathematical operations, the class calculators obtain six primary operations: addition, add, open parenthesis, close parenthesis; subtraction, subtract, open parenthesis, close parenthesis; multiplication, multiply, add parenthesis, open parenthesis; and division, divide, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, with error handling for division by zero. Then the square roots, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, with error handling for navigate negative numbers powered and power, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Number 3, error handling handles errors like division by zero and the divide method. Negative input for square roots in the square roots method. Menu system, the display menu functions divides a simple user interface in the console. P. A. While through the loop keeps the programming running until the user enters the exit option, choice 7. So interactive console applications prompts the user to input numbers and select operations. Output results directly in the console. How to code works. First, start the program. The main function creates an object of the calculator class and display the menu. Second, user input. The user is prompted to choose an operation from the menu. For operations requiring one number like square roots, the program asks for single input. Now for other operation, the program takes two numbers as input. And number 3, operation execution. Depending on the user choice, the program invokes the corresponding method in the calculator class. The result of the operation is calculated and displayed. Exit option for number 4. In the user select option 7, the program exit. Now, error scenarios. If an invalid choice is made, the program display an error message and prompt the user again. For invalid operations like dividing by zero or in calculating the square roots of the negative numbers, appropriate errors messages are shown. So I have here the code example sample run. Now, menu display, calculator menu, we have add, subtract, multiply, divide, square roots, power, exit. The sample interaction, user select one addition. Enter first the number 5, enter the second number 10, and the result is 15. User select 5 division with division by 0. Enter the first number 10, enter second number 0. Error, division by 0 is not allowed. Result is 0. Now user select 5. Square root with a negative number. Enter the number negative 9. Error, negative number entered for square root. Result is 0. User select 6 power. Enter the first number 2. Enter the second number is 3. The result is 8. Why is the code useful? Educational purpose is demonstrate OOP principles. like encapsulation and modular design. Scalability, you can easily add more operations like logarithm or trigonometric function by adding new methods to the calculator class. Error handling, basic effectively error handling improves usability. Now for suggestions for improvement, input validation, check or add checks for individual or non-numeric input to prevent crashes. Enhancement, provide more descriptive messages and formatting for better user experience. Now, functionality, expansion include operations like trigonometric function like sine, cosine, tangent, or logarithm. So the storage allow user to store and recall previous result. So that's the end of my topic about this. Uh, so good evening. Thank you very much, Doc.